where is this AI thing going? What do you think?
It is very unpredictable, to be honest, and I don't know where this is going. What I know definitely is AI is coming from all directions, and Adobe is just trying to keep up with the competition. That is all. Now, generative AI, Adobe is not the first company to do it. Now, there has been several companies before it. One of the first that really broke the internet was Midjourney. So I made a video about Midjourney, and during that time, Adobe did not have anything of generative AI or anything, I think, planned, at least to the public. And then they came out with it. So whatever AI tools we see it in Adobe, they're just doing it, just at least trying to do it the legal way, the right way, which has already come before. So Adobe is just following what is coming on. And where this goes, this is completely crazy, because right now you can use AI to do almost anything. Now, I'm sure that in the future, certain Photoshop processes can also become automated as well. Now, again, it is not just limited to Photoshop. There are also several AI plugins. For example, I use AI plugins for retouching. Things that used to take, for example, 2 to 3 hours just to retouch that, just to dodge and burn those little ups and downs of the skin. There are AI plugins that can automatically do it for you. So it's just very impossible to predict where this is going. And to a lot of people, I do understand that this can get scary as well. And it's a good thing that, for example, if you go to Adobe Firefly website and if you type in Mickey Mouse wearing a blue shirt, it wouldn't generate anything close because it doesn't know what Mickey Mouse is. It was not trained on Mickey Mouse. It just doesn't have that in their library because Mickey Mouse is copyrighted. But if you go to Midjourney and type that, it will just generate a clean shot, hyper-realistic image of Mickey Mouse, the most amazing that you have seen. So that is the difference between something like Midjourney and Adobe Firefly. And again, it just is the amount of data that you have trained on. Sometimes, and actually most of the times, if you look at Midjourney, it definitely creates much crisper, highly detailed, much more realistic results than Adobe Firefly.
Thank you so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed that clip, then press here for the full episode in glorious Technicolor. Hey, and don't forget to subscribe.